Hello, darlings. I'm making pot roast. Alright. Worcestershire sauce on both. Worcestershire sauce? Worcestershire. This shit on both sides. Hear me out. This is the best combination of seasonings on a pot roast. Lipton onion mix, Hidden Valley ranch seasoning. Make sure you get the seasoning everywhere. Peel and chop your carrots, onion. I don't like using that extra layer of onion because who has the fucking time to go through all that? My eyes. Medium heat, add some olive oil, sear your pot roast. Once it's brown on both sides, take it out and set aside for later. Onions, carrots, minced garlic. We're gonna add some Guinness, 2 cups of beef broth, black pepper, some thyme leaves, tiny bit of red pepper flakes. Bring this up to a boil. 2 bay leaves. Once it's back in there, you gotta put it in the oven at 375 degrees, 3 hours. I serve mine over mashed potatoes. It's so tender, so good.